The Jersey Shore finally sees a snowstorm, and it is absolutely beautiful. And let me tell you, when it started to snow, I got so excited. I have not seen snow since I moved here 2 years ago, and this was the light, fluffy, beautiful snow that I absolutely adore, and I could not wait to go play in this the next day. There's just nothing better than a good winter storm in the winter. It's snowing. So we are out and about. It is like 8:44 in the morning. We're at Wawa because I didn't get coffee or anything. We literally woke up, saw it was snowing, put on our snow gear, grabbed the dogs, and we are on our way to the park. There's the doggo. The little doggo down here is crying because she went to go get coffee for us. And we're gonna go to the park. Here she comes. Hold on.
Hi.
Come on.
I'm trying to get her so I don't sit. Come in.
You should have got something warm. It's snowing!
It's cold.
It's cold, but it's snowing. Dozer, it's snowing! I'm very excited that it's snowing. They may not be, but I am. So let's go play in the snow. I should have another jacket on, but I don't. And it's freezing. Look how beautiful. It's so pretty. I love that sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Beautiful.
Look at the Bigfoot.
We're in the car for a few minutes because yes, it's really snowing. Ooh, is it cold?
I can't feel my fingers.
Ooh, so we're gonna drink a little bit of our coffee, warm up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna go across the way. We didn't eat We didn't even make coffee at home. We literally saw that it was snowing and we were like, we're going out. So it is really, really coming down. I don't know if you guys, maybe I roll down my window for you. We're supposed to get anywhere between 4 to 8 inches. So I kind of wanted to get out here before it gets super, super bad. I don't know how New Jersey really does with a lot of snow. Look, it's so icy. But we're just going to warm up for a few minutes and then we're going to go across the way. And I just want to say and encourage you all to get outside or whatever and just be a kid for a little while. It's so good for serotonin boost. It makes you feel good. We were throwing snowballs at each other. Just be a kid. Life doesn't have to be so serious all the time, you know? Birds. What are you doing? Jojo! It's a beautiful wonderland. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So pretty. That literally just bounced right off me. It's really snowing now. Like blizzard. Wow. 48 inches. We'll see. So today I really feel like some nachos. So I have these organic vegetable tortilla chips. This is 2 servings for 10 points. I also have reduced fat Fiesta blend, half a cup for 5 points. I'm also going to be putting, I'll walk you over there, salsa on this, but on Weight Watchers, salsa is free because it's all vegetables. So I can use as much as the salsa as I want and it's free. So this is a 15-point lunch. It's very, very good. I don't feel like I'm missing out. Okay, and then I'm gonna scoop some salsa on and nuke it in the microwave. You could also use avocado and some black olives on here for some healthy fat, but this is all I'm going to do to keep it at 15 points. And that's a 15-point lunch, which isn't bad at all. So while that's in the microwave cooking, I just wanted to show you that these vegetables, they're delicious. They're crunchy. They're very, very thin. And you definitely can taste they have like a vegetable flavor, not a corn flavor. With the cheese and the salsa, you can't tell any difference. I get these at my local Stop and Shop. They're organic. They're really good. And as long as you get reduced fat cheese, you can use a half a cup and pretty much stay within your points on Weight Watchers. So I just wanted to show you that if you're having a little bit of a craving, you can have it on Weight Watchers. You just gotta have it in reason. And yes, to have 2 servings of those chips, I literally counted them out. There are 12 chips for 1 serving. So there's 24 chips. And I just ate 25. There's 24 chips on this. Ooh, if you wanted this to be a 10-point lunch instead of a 15, you could have just had 12 chips and your cheese. But look, they look, let me see. They look, they're cheesy. Look at this. They're cheesy. They're yummy. I get my craving met. And I'm still within my points. So, because I've learned that if I restrict, and say I can't have, that's bad for me, food's bad, I binge. I restrict for so long, and I sabotage myself because then I go in and I binge. So I'm not restricting, but I'm eating smart. Eating smart is the key.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I,